Before you automate anything, your staff need to understand the workflow. That sounds simple, but most businesses skip it. They buy the tool, hand it to the team, and expect consistency. What they get instead is everyone doing their own thing, and no way to maintain quality across the business. AI tools work best when your team has clear rules around them. Which tool handles which task? What the output should look like? Where human judgment still belongs in the process. Without that structure, you get drift. One person uses ChatGPT for client emails. Another uses it for something completely different. Nobody is working the same way, and nobody knows they should be. Staff AI training fixes this. It starts with the real tasks, the ones creating the most drag, the most repetition, the most frustration. Then it builds shared workflows, SOPs, and operating rules around those tasks so the whole team moves together. ITEEK delivers this through TutorialBuilder AI, KnowledgeTrainer AI, and OnboardFlow AI, built around your actual business, not a generic training module. Your people already know the business. Train them to use AI around that knowledge. That is the upgrade.